guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a seafood boil oven recipe. Yes, let's get some juice in and then let's get started. Juicing, yes. So we got the carrot juice. I'm gonna use the rest of that. We got some grapefruit juice. Yes. And then we got the blueberry and the greens in there. Oh yes, top it off. And that's how we do it. We just do little different mixes. Once you juice all your veggies and juice all of your fruits, voila. You have a nice blend that you can mix up all throughout the day. Cheers. Hey guys, I'm doing a mini seafood boil. A mini with that big little sauce. Yes. That gonna look so bomb. Let's get into it. Butter going. Eggs going. After the butter and seasonings came up to a simmer, I added some better than bouillon roasted chicken base to it and 2 cups of water. Alright guys, so we're gonna put our sauce in here. I also added some sliced red onions and minced garlic to this. And then I'm going to cook this first in the oven. And then we'll come back and add our seafood, okay? So now I added the seafood to it and stirred it up to get this lovely dish covered in our beloved garlic spicy sauce. Yes, look at that. It's so delicious, y'all. Done. I baked it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Yummy. I also made 15 beans with some onions and herbs. Oh my God, it was so delicious. My girls truly enjoyed this meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll love to have you here. Okay guys, before we go, here is my woman's influencer. Shout out my girl, Eating with Kate Cotton. Eating with K-Kai. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long year. I have missed you guys so much. We got a whole lot of catching up to do and a whole lot of talking to talk, okay? So I am going to make a seafood artichoke dip today. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is first time barbecuing for real.
No, it ain't.
In 19 years.
No, it ain't.
He wasn't on barbecue, so he got this grill.
No, it ain't. It ain't the first time.
That is my sis. I love you. I appreciate you as a friend. I adore you. She cooks, mukbang, and does it all. She's a mother, a wife, and a beautiful woman. Go on over and check her out and subscribe to her channel. I miss you, sis. Love ya. Mwah. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys for stopping through and checking out the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up and comment down below. I love, love, love talking with you. And as I always say, stay blessed. I love you. And peace out. Later. Mwah. And welcome to all of my new family.